From the very beginning, the spark of ingenuity has warmed the human experience. An innate drive to invent ways to make life better, to discover amazing new places, to push beyond what seems possible. The story of human ingenuity, of relentless innovation and determination, starting with 3 brothers and a dream in 1925, a company was born. Like all of us, over the years, the company has faced its share of adversity and risen to the challenge. From surviving struggles across the country to helping overcome challenges that have spanned the globe. The road hasn't always been easy or gone according to plan, but our passion and innovation has led to perseverance. The world continues to move forward, changing to meet new requirements, evolving, and that requires all of us to do the same, to never stand still. Throughout the century, pioneering new paths in whole home and building heating and cooling, adding water heating for virtually every application, meeting residential and commercial needs just about anywhere. During it all, the drive to serve our customers and communities in better ways has continued, even when serving them has meant something different from time to time. We've been there, going above and beyond, together. As we look ahead, the future is full of possibilities. The company has grown globally to best serve customers locally. Air, water, hybrid solutions, connectivity, sustainability. As our industries continue to evolve, one thing remains the same. Human ingenuity is always at work, making things better. Better for our businesses and customers, for our families and friends, for our community, for the next generation. Driven by a passion for possibilities, powered by our people and our partners. For everyone who's been part of this remarkable journey, thank you. Innovation truly comes from all of us. And the best part is, after 100 years, we're just getting started.